Here we are on the inauguration ride.
Horrible.
Got the new saddle. Thank me. Thank you, that's funny.
Let me do it again.
Can you do it again?
Do it again? You want to go on the sand?
Well, on the sand it's kind of hot. And
your membership to EcoFit.
You know what? I don't get to go on Sunday, so here
There
it
you
is.
go. This is a big workout for you.
Running backwards with long pants and.
Mommy, I want to do this.
Hey, let me see your face. Look at me.
Show Daddy a big smile.
Do you have a net on?
Yeah, here. Get your hairnet on to keep your hair nice and neat. Look at Daddy.
Look up.
Cheese.
Look up. Look up. Got to see some face.
You're being silly. Where'd Riley go?
All right, you gotta look up if you want to ride.
Yeah, how are you gonna see where you're going? All right, hold the reins. Okay, down here. All right.
Where's Karen?
You might want to make 2 videos.
What? For sending?
Yeah. Are you ready?
Okay, hang on.
Okay, hold on. Remember, up
All right.
down.
You're on.
All right, on your mark.
Here we go. Second round of riding.
Say trot, Nana. Go, Nanu. Hey, Nana. Up, down. Uh-oh. Need to hold right here. Yep. All right, now go. Up, down. We're having technical difficulty contact. Come on, Nana. Say trot. Are you in your jumping position?
She wants to jump.
All right. Here we go.
Why are you moving that?
She wants to jump that.
Well, that's way too big. Right? Come on, Nana.
And you may not want to do that.
It's too big.
Look at Karen, okay? No.
It's okay.
Nana's not a jumper. We have to use Grand Slam. Come on, Nana. Well, you can do it. Nana's scared to jump. You want to show Nana how to jump? Can you get down and show Nana?
Well, you got to figure that little pole looks like a 3-foot vertical to her.
I know. Come on, Nana.
Not very graceful.
I told you we walked over the flower box and she was like, "Oh, baby," like, yeah. All right, you ready?
That hairnet is awesome on you.
Hey, if you want to sit on Nana, you've got to put
Can
your
I get
hat
a box
back on.
of milk and a cookie, please?
So you can walk side by side with Nana. I'll take your hairnet, okay? And here, 2 hands. Remember, one by her mouth. Okay, and then one over here. She did?
Go get the geese.
So come on, Nana. You want to ride like Meredith?
No, I want to get on her like Nana.
You want to ride that horse? Or you want to ride Nana?
That one.
But that horse is, he is too young to ride. You have to be very experienced, like Meredith, to be able to ride him. Whoop. That's what she needs, somebody just like drag around, like she does to Frosty, right? That's it? Are you done? You gonna jump?
Frost was out of control. He was out of control. Like he was possessed. by a demon.
I know. I should have thought about that because he's in home since Thursday.
Well, it's fine. I mean, he was fine after that, like 10 seconds, because he bit her, and I was like, bam, and he went.
Where did he bite? Not in the
No, I mean, it was fine. He was just like, you know how
Play,
Carlos says that, in her face, and
Yeah,
she's
yeah.
like, okay, no. And he, so, she went, and he went, chomp. And I was like, oh no. Then he took off and was in the water. He was running the edge of the lake, like the pond, like the edge part, like it was a track. Did he go all the way around? No, he went all the way down there, and then